Good afternoon. I'm at my newest rental listing in Northeast Columbus in the Springlake subdivision. This property is 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, recently remodeled, 2-car garage. Look at the features and benefits below for the further description and price and information. Thank you. This property's been completely renovated upstairs. New floors, new windows, new paint, new lighting. The kitchen was gutted down to the bare walls. Quartz countertops, backsplash, under counter lighting. Open kitchen, we took out that wall, put a 16-foot beam in there. Large island in the kitchen. Pantry space there to the left center. Bay window. Laundry room number 1's upstairs. Washer and dryers included. 2-inch faux blinds. I've got a 65-inch TV in the upstairs family room. The bookcases and the fireplace. All utilities, all water, Wi-Fi. Lawn care is provided in the rental price. Master bedroom, right rear corner, a view of the master bath, vanity area. There's no carpet in the house. It's another view of the master bedroom. Walk-in closet in the master. Walk-in shower. A closet in the master bath. Toilet area. Bedroom number 2 upstairs. Guest bathroom upstairs. This will be bathroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. This is a ensuite. That'd be bathroom number 3 upstairs. A view of bedroom number 3 upstairs. The walk-in closet. Stairs from the top to the 2nd floor in the basement. A walkout basement. There's some selected furniture I'm going to leave for your use. A couch, reclining chair, a table, desk. 55-inch flat screen TV. Wi-Fi is already hooked up, ready to go. Second kitchen, I should say, downstairs with granite. Refrigerator, stove, microwave, vent hood, dishwasher. Place is in great shape. This is bedroom number 4 downstairs. Walk out to the garage area and bedroom number 5 downstairs. This is the smallest of all the bedrooms. This is bathroom number 4, just off the kitchen downstairs. All tile. Walk-in shower. Another view of bathroom number 4. This is a nice office area, a large room. Mechanical room's the door to the left. Laundry room, washer and dryer included. Bathroom number 5. One of the additional benefits of renting this property is the fact that you can utilize the clubhouse facilities. We have an 11-acre lake. We have a beautiful clubhouse with restrooms and kitchen that can be rented for hail and farewells or parties. We also have a saltwater pool, a tennis court, a pickleball court, a volleyball court, and a cookhouse. We have a grill house over here to this side over here. So anyway, also included in this property are all utilities: gas, water, electric, Wi-Fi, alarm, and pest control. All of that's included in a turnkey price. So you guys can get here, it'll be all set up, ready to go, and when the guys come behind you, you won't have to be doing that with utilities, and we'll have a great system going. So anyway, thank you. Have the best day ever. Thank you and have the best day ever.